In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can add logo to a video using the VLC Media Player. So let's get started. So just simply open your VLC Media Player that has a video in it. If you don't know how to open a video in your VLC Media Player, just simply click on the media and click on open file and then choose your video as to where you have saved it and click on open. Now once your video is open, just simply look at the ribbon at the top and you'll find the Tools tab. Click on that. You'll find here Effects and Filters. Click on that. And this window will appear. Now simply go to Video Effects, and here you'll find Essential tab, Crop, Colors, Geometry Overlay, and Advanced. Click on Overlay, and here you'll find the option Add Logo. Check this box. Then click on these three dots and simply look as to where you have saved your logo. So I have this one, and I'm just going to click on Open. Okay. Now as you can see, that is placed right here, but if you are going to increase this one like that, okay, and on the left, so it's up to you as to where you want it to be placed. You can just simply increase this from here in the top and on the left. Okay. Now let's type in here 9,000. Oh, it's just 900, or let's say 800. Okay. And then in here, and that's it. Click on save and then close this. And as you can see, the logo will be here. Okay, so that's how you can do it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.